Ready to move your Solana from Coinbase to Binance? Let's get started. First, head over to your Binance account and log in, then navigate to the deposit section. You can usually find this in your wallet or account dashboard. On the deposit page, select Sol or Solana as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. It's crucial to pick the right one to avoid losing your funds. Make sure the Solana network is automatically selected, then Binance will generate a unique deposit address for your SOL tokens. Copy this address carefully, double check it, as this is where you'll be sending your Solana. Now, log into your Coinbase account and go to the Send, Receive section. This is where you initiate the withdrawal of your Solana. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field on Coinbase again. Triple check that the address is correct. Enter the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. Coinbase will show you the network fees associated with the transaction. Keep in mind that these fees can vary. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make absolutely sure the address, amount, and network are all correct. Once you're certain, confirm the transaction. Coinbase will process the transaction, and you'll see a confirmation page. It may take a few minutes for the Solana to appear in your Binance account, depending on network congestion. Finally, check your Binance wallet. After some time, you should see your Solana balance updated with the transferred amount. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your SOL.